Yo, YouTube, what's going on? What to do now? Just out here doing a little record, man. Doing a little ride. Car wash day for the vet, for the C7. Cleaning up a little bit. Checking out and, you know what I'm saying, using the new cam. Oh yeah. Gonna start shooting more footage of this C7, man. Let y'all see what's going on, man. Memphis Black, man, just checking in. Just got a little C7 footage, man. Open these doors, I'll let y'all check these C's out, man. I got kind of a lot of shit going on, but you see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see them C's, man. Yeah, got a little hen and red bull over there, man. Yes, sir. Trying to see, should I leave a factory, man, or put some wheels on it, man? Think I'm gonna leave it like she is, man. Can't make my mind up. I like this look here, man. I like that. I love that ride. I might keep my baby like this, though, y'all. Y'all like, make some comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about that, man. Should I leave a factory or should I put some wheels on it? I'm liking them wheels right here, though. Liking that black with that red behind it like that, man. So I'm say do some all red 22. My guys out here in the city doing 24s on them, but I can't do that. I like to ride, man. Of course they riding, but I don't want no chance of tearing no shit up, man. I already know them 24 can't be that comfortable of a ride, man. I got rims on too much shit and had rims on too much of everything, so foes on the vid, it just can't be what they say it is. But yeah, it look good. But you know, I just can't do it, man. I like to ride. I'm talking about ride. And these motherfucking streets out here, man, shit. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Hell yeah. Think I'm finna ride to the car meeting, get a little more footage. So y'all just hold tight, man. I'm gonna give y'all some more footage what they got going on out there. Yes, sir. I'm talking about is finna ride out here and see what's going on. Got done washing that joint down. Go out here and get some footage. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man. It's your boy Memphis Black. Checking in. Finna check out. Gang, how they said. Trying to drop these bangers. Need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Run your board, man. Pass, man. Whatever, man. Right now I'm sitting at a cool little number, but it gotta get better, man. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm out here in the east right now. Finna move around a little bit. Head to a little car meet. So man, y'all let me know what it is, man. Y'all keep me up on them. Let me know what y'all think about that comment, man. I'm finna goddamn trying to see, do I want to keep that thing factory? Put some 22s on it, man. Oh shit. I think I'm going. I'm kind of leaning toward, man, just really keeping that thing factory, man. That black with the red popping behind it. Don't red brake color. So, y'all getting no comments, man, let me know, man. Should I keep them factors on them, man? I think that's what I need to do, man. And then just add some more features to the car, man. Long tube headers, some tuning, some more exhaust. But I really love, man, man, them goddamn factory exhaust though. Really do. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see the C7, man. Face mask, man. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, man. Yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. Y'all about to get y'all one, man. So, if you black finna, man, check out, man. Y'all wanna do that ride along with me, man? We don't feel like holding the can, though. I really don't feel like holding this can, man. So I'm gonna have to let y'all, man, stay at the house this time, man. Let me ride solo, man. You know what I'm talking about? So peace, man. Y'all hold it down. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go and get up, man. Get them likes and comments, and you know, you got any questions on anything, man, I'm gonna answer back, man, to the best of my ability, man, on what I know. And what I don't know, I'm pretty sure I can find out. So y'all get with your boy, man. Y'all get with your boy, man. I'm digging a new camera though. Just seem a little dark right now. I know I'm a black ass dude anyway, but you know, I should be a little lighter, man, or something, but you know, I'm just beginning. I'm just a beginner with the cam. So we gonna get it right, man. We gonna get this shit right, man. I gotta get better with my editing. I just wanna run these subscribers up, man. Like I said, I've been in the game for a long time, man, with the YouTube shit. And I just stopped like that. I did that shit, man. A lot of things I could have been recording, day-to-day living. And man, shit, I just stopped, man. I could have been ran some subscribers and comments and likes up right now. Cause I'm just that dude, man. I'm just that type of guy, man. You know what I'm talking about? Trendsetter, man. I always have been a trendsetter, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're moving and grooving, man. They're moving and grooving, man. Yeah, man, I can't be listening to the dog, man. In my video, man, they might try to find me and rate my videos or something, man. I don't want to do that. Sir. From Winchester and Ross, man. They getting it in, man. And y'all little footage, man. Y'all see what's going on. Shit looking good. Yeah, I'm gonna check back with y'all, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all here in a little bit, man. For the man, bust a little move right quick. You know what I'm saying? Cruising right in the C7, man. Day C7 day, man. I'm gonna holler back at y'all guys, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Support your boy, man. Y'all been doing a good job, man. I appreciate each and every last comment and like and subscribe, so forth, man, and so on, man. So, you know, Y'all just, you know, talking about keep it going, man. Keep it going, keep it going. Turn up around this parking lot right here. And my guy got a restaurant, which is his mama. Gave to his mama, blessed his mama with the junk. Got a big brother Juice running that junk too. Y'all want some good food, man. Sunday soul food and just want to have a good time, man. Check it out. Y'all see it. Y'all see that right there. What I say? Let me zoom in a little bit. What I say? Prive, man. Y'all come and support, man. Good vibes, good time. So, you know, y'all want some good food, man, good customer service. Try that jerk seafood bowl, man. That probably fire too, y'all. Soul Food Sunday, man, from 12 to 6 p.m., y'all. So y'all in Memphis, man, y'all want some good soul food, man, on a Sunday. Y'all come to Prive, man. Y'all see Jug, man, tell them Black Central, man. You know what I'm saying? We're supporting all black business. We're just doing how we should have been doing it years ago, man. Yeah, I'm signing out this time, y'all. I'll catch up with y'all, man. Y'all hold it down, man, to the next video. And I'm gonna get back with y'all, man, as soon as I got dog and get to where I'm going. And go to the little car meet and we're gonna do some more record, man. Keep that footage going, man. Yes, sir. Peace out.